Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6. Now, your subject science is divided into three branches: physics, chemistry, and biology. We will start with chemistry today. Your first chapter is Introduction to Chemistry. Here we will discuss about science and then chemistry. Science plays an important part in our daily lives. The application of science has provided us with numerous benefits that have made our lives better. One important branch of science is chemistry. Everything around us has chemistry involved in it. The air we breathe in is oxygen. The air we breathe out is carbon dioxide. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. The food that we eat is made up of carbohydrates, proteins, which consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. The toothpaste, soaps, shampoos, cosmetics, then shoe polish, your clothes, detergents, and then medicines. All these are made up of chemicals. Everything around you has a chemical composition involved in it. In chemistry, we study about components and properties of these substances. Now we will discuss some important terms or definitions. The first one is science. Science is the system of acquiring knowledge about natural processes around us. This system of acquiring knowledge is based on experimentation and observations done by the scientists. Next is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with three different aspects. The first one is composition of substances. Second is properties of these substances. Third is and the changes that they undergo. For example, water. Water is made up of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. This is the composition of water. What are the properties of water? Water is colorless, odorless, tasteless. And then what are the changes that water undergoes? If you heat water above 100 degrees Celsius, then it starts boiling. That is, it changes into water vapors. If you cool it down below 0 degrees Celsius, then it changes into ice. This is the solid state of water. Now, who is a chemist? An expert in chemistry is called a chemist. Now, chemistry has got a historical perspective also. Here we talk about alchemy. What is alchemy? The study and attempts made by ancient people of transmutation of known metals into gold. That is, different elements or metals were converted into gold. Next, we will discuss about the importance of chemistry in our life. Chemistry plays a vital role in our life. All aspects of our life, agriculture, food processing, food preservation, clothing, shelter, hygiene, health, transportation, lighting, heating, entertainment, etc., are all influenced by chemistry. First one is agriculture. To increase the crop yields, scientists have developed chemicals such as fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, and fungicides. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are chemicals that provide nutrients to crops and increase their production. Pesticides and insecticides are chemicals used to kill pests and insects that affect the production of crops. Next is clothing. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon, terylene, polyester, etc., are all synthesized from various chemicals. They are durable and freeze resistant fibers. Now we will discuss about the building material. Materials such as cement, mortar, bricks, RCC, steel, glass and varnishes are prepared by chemical procedures. These are used for the construction of buildings and bridges. What is RCC? RCC is reinforced concrete cement. Here, iron wire mesh is added to concrete cement, and this is used in the construction of high-rise buildings, skyscrapers, and then bridges. Next, we discuss about food. Food additives are made from chemicals and are included in food to improve their shelf life, appearance, and flavor. Preservatives such as sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate, etc., are used for the preservation of food. Artificial sweeteners such as saccharin and aspartame are used in the food to sweeten them. There are some useful materials also prepared by chemicals. Materials such as synthetic rubber, plastic, synthetic fibers, and dyes have been developed through chemistry. Then you know about medicines. What are medicines? These are chemical substances used in the prevention and treatment of diseases. The knowledge of chemistry has helped in preparing various medicines to detect and fight diseases. Example, paracetamol. When you have high fever, then paracetamol is used, which is an antipyretic. When you have pain, then aspirin is used. This is an analgesic. Penicillin is used. Some drugs have even helped to completely eradicate smallpox and polio. Improved healthcare has increased the average lifespan of human beings. Next, we have metals and alloys. Metals are extracted from their ores by chemical methods. What are alloys? Alloys are mixtures of metals and metals or metals and non-metals. These metals and their alloys are used in machines and automobiles. For example, steel, stainless steel. This is These are the alloys of steel and stainless steel. These are the alloys of iron. We have duralumin, which is an alloy of aluminium, which is used in the manufacture of construction of automobiles or aircrafts. Then we have cosmetics. Cosmetics are products applied to the human body for beautifying the appearance. For example, talcum powder, creams, lotions, lipsticks, shampoos, perfumes. All these are prepared by using chemical processes. Next, we have petroleum products. A variety of products obtained from petroleum are called petrochemicals. They include petrol, diesel, kerosene, LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas, drugs and medicines, dyestuffs. They also include plastics, paints, varnish, explosives, etc. Now we will discuss about the electronics, how chemistry is involved in electronics. The knowledge of chemistry has helped in finding the property of electrical conductivity of metalloids such as silicon and germanium. Generally, metals are good conductors of electricity, but here we are using the metalloids. They are useful in the manufacture of electrical circuits, in radios, televisions, computer chips, and so on. Now we have discussed about the importance of chemistry in our life, but we have the other side of chemistry also. That is, we have some harmful effects. First one is increased pollution. Chemical processes in industries produce harmful smoke, poisonous gases, and toxic wastes, which add on to land pollution and water pollution. Vehicular emissions cause air pollution. Then we have depletion of natural resources. Increased industrialization has caused depletion of forests, that is deforestation. Then depletion of minerals, petroleum, coal. These have damaged our environment. Some destructive weapons are also prepared by chemistry. Explosives such as TNT, trinitrotoluene, RDX, Research Department explosive, nuclear bombs, hydrogen bombs, they can cause massive destruction to life and property. Here we end with the first lecture of this chapter. I will get back to you with my next lecture. Till then, thank you.